Hello, dear boys. Let us do the second part of your civics, chapter number 3, how the state government works. On this topic, so far we have discussed was about this the statement which is made by different MLAs. Have a look, page number 36, working of the government. The Legislative Assembly is not the only place where opinions are expressed about the work of the government and action is demanded. Legislative Assembly, it is not the only place, okay, where opinions are expressed about the work of the government and their action is demanded. You will find newspapers, TV channels, and other organizations regularly talking about the government. Boys, you'll find in different newspapers and TV channels and other organization where regularly they are talking about the government, about the work of the government. They used to discuss. In a democracy, there are various ways through which people express their views and also take action. So, in a democracy, there are different ways, boys, through which people they can express their views and also take action. Let us look at one such way. Soon after the discussion in the assembly, there was a press conference organized by the health minister. So, after the discussion in the assembly, where all MLAs sat for discussion, as soon as the day's discussion was over, there was a press conference. A press conference means an interview given to journalists by a prominent person, that means by minister here, in order to make an announcement or answer questions. So in that press conference, which was organized by the health minister, large numbers of people from different newspapers were present. So in that press conference, a large number of people from different newspapers they present here. The minister and some government officials were also present. In that press conference, ministers and some government officials they were also present. The minister explained the steps the government had taken. Dear minister, he was explained what are the steps the government has taken. The government had taken. Reporters asked many questions at this meeting. So in that press conference, reporters of different newspaper they asked many questions at this meeting. These discussions were then reported in different newspapers. So whatever discussion it was made there by the minister and the persons who were present for press conference. So it was what happened that it was reported in different newspapers. The following page has one such report. Here is under One such report is mentioned. During the next week, the Chief Minister and the Minister for Health visited Patalpuram district. So during the next week, what happened? The Chief Minister and the Minister for Health, that is Health Minister, they visited there in Patalpuram district. They went to visit the families who had lost their relatives and also visited people in the hospitals. So they went in order to visit the families, those who had lost their relatives, and they also visited to those peoples in the hospital who were suffered from disease. The government announced a compensation for these families. Here, government announced, that means a compensation. Compensation means, boys, something typically money awarded to someone in recognition of loss, injured or suffering at the time it is used to given. See, the chief minister also said that he thought the problem was not only one of sanitation but also of a lack of clean drinking water. Chief Minister he himself is said. He also said that he thought that problem it was not created just by sanitation, but it also created which is lack of clean drinking water there. He said that a high level inquiry committee will be asked to look into the needs of the district to provide sanitation facilities and would request the Minister for Public Works to take care of the needs of proper water supply in the region. So here the Chief Minister said that a high level inquiry or investigation committee will be there. He will be asked to look, and that means that the committee will be asked to look into the needs of district, what is needed there in the district of Patalpuram. Then in order to provide sanitation means it is conditions relating to public health such as clean water and adequate sewage disposal. So provide sanitation facilities and would request the Minister for Public Works to take care in order to take care of the people. Okay, so there he would request the Minister for Public Works to take care of the needs of proper water supply in the region. So proper clean and safe drinking water should be supplied in that area. He will request in such a way to the Public Works Department. As you saw above, the people in power like the Chief Minister and the Minister have to take action. Boys, as you here you have seen above, the people in power like the Chief Minister and the Minister have to take action. They do so through various departments like the Public Works Department, the Agricultural Department, the Health Department, the Education Department, and so on. So here, as you show above, the people in power like the Chief Minister and the Minister have to take action. They do so through various departments. Through various departments, they used to problem that solve. A problem that means they used to solve. Departments like Public Works Department, the Agricultural Department, the Health Department, the Education Department, and like this other department. Okay. They also have to answer questions that are asked in the legislative assembly. So this related minister has to answer the questions which asked in the legislative assembly and convince people asking the questions that proper steps are being taken. They need to convince means to make believe people asking the questions that proper steps are being taken. What steps are taken by the government, they have to clear. At the same time, newspapers and the media widely discuss the issue and the government has to respond, for example, by holding the press conferences. At the same time, newspapers and media persons, okay, they widely discuss the issue and the government has to reply it. As example, by holding the press conferences. Boys, here in this page above you see government smells the garbage. Chief Minister promises funds for work. You just get through this, you read it. Okay, now let us see the next page. The government can also decide to make a new laws for the state regarding sanitation and health facilities. The government they can also decide. They can discuss that means to make new laws for the state regarding sanitation and health facilities. For example, it may make it compulsory for municipal corporations to ensure that there are adequate toilets in every urban area. As example, boys, it may make it compulsory for municipal corporations means it is a local governing body including cities, countries, towns, etc. In order to ensure that insurance are more certain that there are sufficient toilets in every city area. It may also ensure that a health worker is appointed in every village. So it may also make certain that a health worker is appointed. A health worker should be there in every village. This act of making laws on certain issues is done in the legislative assembly of each state. So this act of making laws, to make laws in this regard on certain issues is done in the legislative assembly of each state. The various government departments then implement these laws. So the different government departments then they used to utilize these laws. Laws for the entire country are made in the parliament for whole the countries means for whole the states, for different states, that means laws are made in the parliament. You will read more about the parliament next year because in class 8 you will learn more about this parliament in class 8 civics book. In a democracy, it is the people who elect their representatives as members of the legislative assembly, and thus it is the people who have the main authority. So, boys, in democracy, it is the people or voters who elect their representatives, who elect their leaders as members of the legislative assembly, who are known as MLAs. And in this way, it is the people who have the main authority. So main power is in the hand of the people. They have to elect their representatives through election. The ruling party members then form the government, and some members are appointed ministers. See, the ruling party members, then they used to form the government, and some members are appointed as ministers. These ministers are in charge of various departments of the government, such as health in the above example. So these ministers, they are charged for different departments of the government. As example, the health, which one is mentioned above. Whatever work is done by these departments has to be approved by the members of the Legislative Assembly. So whatever work it is done by these departments means these health departments or any other departments, it has to be approved, it has to be signed by the members of the Legislative Assembly. Your wallpaper project, see here, a wallpaper project it has given, boys. A wallpaper is an interesting activity through which research can be done on particular topics of interest. Wallpaper, see, a wallpaper, it is an interesting activity. It is an interesting activity, boys, through which research means investigation, can be done on particular topics of interest. The following photographs explain the different aspects involved in creating a wallpaper in a classroom. So here you can see different photographs it is given here, boys. It explains the different aspects which involved in creating a wallpaper in a classroom. So you get through all this, okay, which is given here in this page number 39. Apart from this, again it is given two more there in page number 40. You just get through these two in order to clear the ideas. So here's the end of the chapter. Thank you all.